Hello everybody, today I have an exciting news. I wanted to give you a try the new Mountain Dew. It's called Mountain Dew Energy Baja Blast. It has with a blast of natural and artificial tropical lime flavor. It has immune support and mental boost under 80 milligrams of caffeine. So this is really looking good. It's got Baja Blast. It's gonna compare to the Baja Blast original Mountain Dew. Do with a blast of natural and artificial tropical lime flavor to the Energy Baja Blast. So this Mountain Dew Energy Baja Blast is for a limited time only this summer. So I already tried the Baja Mango Gem and Baja Gold. They both really good. So for the next one, I'm gonna try this Baja Blast Energy. So let's crack it open. Let's see. Now I gotta pour this in a glass. See what the color looks like. Wow, that's really interesting. That's really looks the same, almost like his color is like a teal. So I'm gonna give you a little close up of this the camera. You see it? That looks like same as the regular Baja Blast. So I gotta smell. It smells like a regular Baja Blast. Like it do. Alright. Here's to the Mountain Dew Energy Baja Blast, everyone. Wow. I gotta say, that tastes like a Baja Blast to me, but it's a little different. It has 25 calories, it's small. It's a little bit different taste compared to the Baja Blast. So yeah, that tastes different as the Baja Blast to me. So I'm gonna give you a color with the same here, folks. I'm gonna pour this. Stand by. Okay. 1 minute. There we go. Okay, we're gonna talk about the color difference. You can see a little close. That is the regular bus one I with mine. You see it? Real good close. You can see that color. Bright teal color for the regular Baja Blast. And over the other is the Energy Baja Blast. You can see it's lightless color to me. It's pretty good. So I'm going to show you a little bit close up. There you see it. It's pretty cool color with the other side to the Baja Blast is regular, and the Energy Baja Blast to me, they're both really good. So I'm gonna give it a little sip of these Baja Blast. Now I try one more sip. That taste is see, I tried a sip of the Baja Blast. That taste is regular. So I'm gonna try the Energy. Yeah, tastes like Baja Blast. It tastes a little difference between the Energy Baja Blast to the regular Baja Blast from Taco Bell. It tastes a little difference. So yeah. Alright. Mountain Dew Energy Baja Blast. I give it like 100% thumbs up. And I'm gonna give this a 5-star ratings to the Mountain Dew Energy Baja Blast. So So try the new Mountain Dew Energy Baja Blast for the limited time only this summer. This is Kogan for the Mountain Dew fan, signing out.